what he is in my collection. He is also notorious for escaping from every prison that ever tried to hold him, which is why I have wired each cage with unimaginable power coming directly from my massive generator, which powers the entire complex and will keep them in perpetual suspension.
At least we're all well secured.
Wait, what?
You're not wish to fall to an abyss.
You didn't understand. We're prisoners.
It's your fault!
Rodent will figure a way
I
out.
told you to wait in the ship.
told
What are you
you
calling
to
a bed, you blockhead?
I am Groot. They're in hell.
Oh, it was so cute. I could watch him all day. And now you can too. But first, you must have clearance. We need to scan your biosigns,
A painless procedure.
and then a simple wave of your hand will be your passport into my inner sanctum. You will be well taken care of.
By one of his ultra capable staff, like me.
Indeed. I apologize for not bringing you in person, but I'm sure I will see you very soon.
Calls himself a collector. He hasn't seen a single trading card at all.
Attention, Terrans. May I present to you Tanania Tawon, the Collector.
Welcome, distinguished guests, to your VIP tour of my collection. Comprehensive assemblage of artifacts and life forms in the galaxy.
Hey, do you guys validate?
But on today's tour, you will be allowed into my most secure inner sanctum to see in the flesh my newest acquisitions, the Guardians of the Galaxy.
This is all your fault.
Oh, at least we get a really cool sign. Check that out. Oh, man, they got my name wrong. It's not Peter Quill. It's Star-Lord. Although they do call me the leader.
Yes, because you led us into the trap.
Hey, I thought the tour sounded fun.
And what name do they call me?
Drax the Destroyer.
Ah! That is correct.
Got his name right.
That's what bothers you?
Sorry. Gamora, daughter of Thanos.
I am not the daughter of Thanos! Ow! Ow! Ow!
You're not supposed to tap the glass.
Don't even start!
Hey, would you two keep it down over there?
I am Groot.
I know. You're so inconsiderate.
I'm Groot.
According to that, you're not Groot. You're a Flora Colossus.
I am Groot.
Don't listen to him. You are Groot. You want to know what they call you, Rocket? I know what they call me. Cybernetic genetic experiment. Who wants to tie my fist? I thought you'd be more upset about the holy part. Ain't nothing in the universe like me, except me.
And that is precisely what he is in my collection. He is also notorious for escaping from every prison that ever tried to hold him, which is why I have wired each cage with unimaginable power coming directly from my massive generator, which powers the entire complex and will keep them in perpetual suspension. Always.
At least we're all well secured.
Wait, what?
You're not wish to fall to an abyss.
You didn't understand. We're prisoners.
It's your fault!
That rodent will figure a way
I
out.
told you to wait in the ship. What are you calling a bed, you blockhead?
I am Groot.
Wait, thank you.
Space all the way down, guys. All the way down.
Imagine little moments. That would be so cool if I did
Attention! Raise your hands now for security bioscan. Scan complete. Once in the system, your hand scan will give you clearance and the doors will open towards you. Please stand by.
Hard to tell the show with the blackjack.
Have it on the ground like how
That'd be awesome.
Raise your hands for security clearance. And presto, the doors open for you. I now present to you Tannelier Tavon's private office.
Yeah, next time we'll bring it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the raccoon guy.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy.
That'll even better.
You are now standing in my private office,
I know.
where I carefully
Scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy, and after that, let's mute this guy. Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Ow! Oh, but that was not part of the plan. Why? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy, the smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Ah. I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
Oh, that's a yeah, good move. Yeah. You're good.
I can imagine he sold
Imagine if he played. Imagine if he plays
once on board, please remain seated, with your restraints securely fastened. Keep your hands, arms, feet and legs inside the gantry lift at all times. And please watch your turn, children. Para su seguridad, una vez a bordo, por favor, permanezcan sentados y con el cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del elevador en todo momento. Y por favor, vigilen a sus miembros terranos. Gracias. Hands for clearance.
Okay.
You may now enter the gantry lift.
Sorry, it's your keys. And then row number 4, top left.
Alrighty.
They didn't say video recording.
My dear friends, this is the moment I've been waiting for.
Rocket unplugs you and starts things rocking. Now show me those hands, people! Clearance, let's roll. Okay.
feel like the song kind of like
Set the mood.
Alright.
that song really set the mood.
Party.
Yeah, it's more like time.
Good party, guys.
It was good party. Party good.
Definitely the party grind.
We want the fun.
We did it!